and you're rolling. This is a decent thumbnail. Background looks all right. Not the piece of trash pile isn't in it.
Nope.
Hey, Dillon just flew this. What a great time. I've been dying for him to get his hands on this. He's gonna fly it some more too today. I wanna try I set up a little bit extra gain. So I just wanna try it out. It's been awesome on the 40, 50, 60 default. Got a couple videos of this already, check it out. And then today we'll have me and Dillon on the same video. We're gonna try out the rates. So I wanna speed it up with the, instead of the 40, 50, 60, I'm 50, 60, 70. I'm gonna go high speed and see if I get any oscillation. That'll tell me if I wanna like cut it down or something like that. But I'm flying at a brand new spot. It's really actually nice. And it's weirdly tight, but I think it makes you fly close for the camera. So let's go, man. I love this thing, dude. Throttle cut. Those nozzles, I'm telling you, change it so much. I probably could play with the nose wheel a little bit. All right, man. You ready?
I am ready.
And we're up. Tuck the gear. I'm flipping into that middle position right now. So, like I said, 40, 50, 60 is the default gains on AS3X when you set something up and just leave it alone, which has been dynamite with this. But I wanted to just crank it up a little bit so I could, really the idea was having a little bit more stability in the roll axis for the high alpha I love so much. And I'm sorry I'm so far away, but I want to check this for oscillation. Full speed. Barely oscillated. See it? Waggle just a little. So I could cut those gains down a little bit, but really I want those gains for high alpha anyway, so not worried about it. So now I'm gonna play. That is exactly why I did this. Right, Dill?
Yeah, that's absolutely right.
What? All right, I'm just gonna go back to the regular 40, 50, 60 though, so I can rip it though, and not worry about the wobble. So here we go, high speeder. Up. Drill bit. Right at us. Oh, I'm in the, there's the middle gain right there. That was low.
That was very low.
And that's with the tailwind. So let's go slow again. I mean, you can really stick that pitch, can't you? And trust it. It's so good. Come on, dude. Right? what's really fun. Loop yourself into the high alpha. Just stay cranked. That was full elevator. Am I beeping? I'm beeping. Okay. We'll land from our right. So we'll do a little gear pass here coming at us. There's the gear. And we're gonna set up. Here we go. I'm out of the power, pouring it in a little bit, set that nose up. Ah, that was really good, but it looked weird. That looked weird, but that was good.
That was good.
Guys, FMS, Rafale, just set up straight up by the book. 100% rates, playing with the gains, the defaults are good. Like I said, increased it from 40, 50, 60 to 50, 60, 70, and that's on the axis and the safe AS3X business. If you know, you know. Even at full speed, it barely oscillated, but locked it in even more for that nose up business, which is one of my favorite things. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. FMS Rafale here at Flight Masters in Elkhart. I've got the RC Geek Afterburner 3D printed nozzles in the back. And we've flown this before and we got some pretty cool videos on it already, but I wanted to get Dillon. There he is.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey. He's been jonesing to fly this. So we got it dialed in. On the stream the other day, I really super jacked with the settings and safe, just trying to get a little more throw out of it, and that's a bad idea. Just leave him alone. So I did a first time setup, went through the whole deal. We've got safe on a mode, which we probably won't use. We got a middle mode where we cranked the stock gains of 40, 50, 60 up to 50, 60, 70. So we're gonna see what Dillon thinks about it, but I've seen him fly, man, and I'm really excited to get a camera on this. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh.
Wind ain't doing anything.
There is like no wind. So nice. Have fun, bro.
Thanks.
Is this the first time you've flown one of these Rafales, Dill?
First time.
Oh man, have some fun. 3 minutes is what's up.
All right, sounds good. Here we go.
Looking good.
Gear up.
Yeah, dig that slow flight.
Holy moly. It's got a lot of power left.
So efficient with those nozzles. And then stay flat and rudder around. It's so brilliant, dude. Yeah, the high alpha this is my favorite.
Crazy stable.
It's my favorite Canarded Delta. Still.
Holy moly.
Right? This is your
So
first flight.
smooth, yeah. A lot of power. Not one power left.
It really is worth doing the little afterburners, man. Because usually before, high alpha took almost most of the thrust it has. I'll put a link to RC Geeks nozzles in the description. It's worth it.
Only when I'm in turns, I'm going above half, and then when I'm going straight, I could go about half, or maybe a little more.
And that's basically how you're gonna land it too, you know?
Yeah. It doesn't even drop.
5000 6S.
That is so cool. Ooh, that felt good.
I felt it.
I better
And Dillon dealt it.
do, since my timer's up, I will
Yeah,
bring her in.
it's a hot day too. Is that not the sickest? Suspension struts, retracts, the FMS Rafale. Continue to support the channel by clicking those affiliate links in the description. Thanks so much, bro.
That was nice. I like it.
What do you think?
I need it. I could high alpha the whole time and be happy.
Seriously, right?
Oh yeah. So
You know,
much fun.
each thing has its own kind of character, you know?
It does. This is totally different than anything I've flown.
And you haven't
And
really like opened it up. It's really sporty,
No.
you know, opened up, but
Yeah.
like high alpha's so good, it kind of makes it where that's like,
Yeah.
it makes it super fun for landings. And
Yeah, I didn't even do a high speed pass because I was
No.
just stuck in high alpha.
first battery for Dillon on an FMS Rafale, nailed it.
Fun. That was fun.
Huh. See you in the next one.
See ya.